Sopa de Salchichón o Puerto Rican sausage soup. And I'm going to go all in. And remember, Puerto Rico is a tropical island, so we eat this soup all year round. We don't go and wait for the cold because it's not cold weather there. Let's create. Last time I made a video making this soup, I didn't have corn. But this time around, I'm going to have corn, okay? I'm going to have corn. Look at this baby. So here's the salchichon. There are other brands out there, but I got the Goya one. And this is what you're going to do, okay? See how hard it is? So what I like to do, I like to cut it in half. And then I'm going to cut pieces, okay? First, I'm going to start with the annatto oil. You can use another type of oil, but I like annatto because I took the seeds, put in a little pan, some extra virgin olive oil, heat it for about a minute, then drain it here without the seeds, okay? But if you don't have any, that's fine. But see the orange color already? It's about a couple tablespoons. And I'm going to preheat it, okay, for about a minute. So I have some onion chopped, bell pepper, green pepper, sweet, and some cilantro. If you have culantro, use it too. The amount is up to you. What I'm doing is a real-time sofrito, fresh. I'm going to add also some dry oregano. And I'm going to caramelize this baby, okay? Going to let it caramelize. About 4 minutes later, I'm going to add about 4 or 5 teeth of garlic, which I chopped. And this one you're going to move around for about a minute, okay? That's all. You don't want them burned. Little bit of turmeric, just a little bit. And I have about a tablespoon of tomato paste, okay? You're going to add it too. Tablespoon. And you're going to mix everything together. And as you do that, get two salchichon, and mix it up too. Mix everything well. In the caldero, but you can use any type of pot, okay? Let's mix everything up. You can use water, but I'm going with beef stock. I put 4, but I'm going to put a couple more cups, okay? You can put some water too to mix it up a little bit. But 4 cups might not be enough. It's about 7 total between water and stock. I'm going to increase the heat for now to high. And I'm going to let it simmer, okay? Going to give it a quick taste, okay? Need some salt. Now that started to simmer, I'm going to put the corn, which I even cut further. Potatoes. Let's put a bay leaf too. And I'm going to let them cook for about maybe 5 minutes before I add the noodles, which I'm going to use angel hair. I'm going to cut it, but break it, and then I'm going to add it. But I'm going to let this cook for about 5-6 minutes, okay? Couple notches above medium. Say about 5 minutes later, let me add the noodles. Let me break them in half and add this baby. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this baby cook until the potatoes and the noodles are ready, okay? That's simple. And here we have it. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Sopa de Salchichón. Look at this baby. Beautiful color too. And how am I going to eat this baby? With my Puerto Rican bread. My Puerto Rican bread. Pan boricua. Okay? Look at this baby. That beautiful.